guys, I actually just got to Ikea and I figured for today's video I would take you guys along shopping with me at Ikea just because I have a few things to pick up and I find that I love watching these videos. So I thought I would film one for you guys, and I have some like super exciting news. So the main reason why I'm here is my closet needs a total transformation, and since the place that I live in is not permanent, I don't own it, I'm just renting, I like to go to Ikea and get affordable like storage solutions. And then the second thing I need are a couple things for the kitchen, and 3, going back to the super exciting announcement that I have. You guys have been asking me to do this for years. I've been getting so many emails and questions, DMs, like, Nastazsa, I really want you to like decorate my room. How much do you charge? I got a couple of emails that were like really serious inquiries over the past few months, and I decided to start like an online interior design for you guys. This is specifically for my subscribers only. Now I'm saying that this is for my subscribers only basically because I went back and forth on the price for a really long time, and I ran this idea across a bunch of people that I know, and everyone's response was the same. Nastazsa, I cannot believe you're offering this service that you're gonna offer so cheap for your followers, because I will tell you guys, I will have it linked down below. It's just on my website. I charge about 5 times that amount as like my starting rate if I do any interior design in California. I'm offering it cheap to you guys because of the fact that I love you guys to death. You guys are awesome, and I wanted to make it an affordable price that I felt like everyone would be able to afford, or if you couldn't afford it currently, you can save up for it. So I thought back to when I was like younger, I looked at my demographics and just like the different age ranges, and I thought of a price that when I was that young I could save up for or ask my parents to do it. So that is that. You will get like a full, it's like one-on-one, we'll design your room. I'll talk to you specifically and see like what you want and what type of design you're going for. I'll provide a shopping list at the end so you can go ahead and buy all the things for your room. If you want to go ahead and check that out, I will have it linked down below on my website, and I'm super excited. So I'm working with a girl right now, and she actually had already started kind of designing her room, and she knew that there was like an Ikea bed that she wanted. So I'm gonna go and just like take a look at it to make sure I think it's something she should purchase for her room. I don't like to recommend things that I haven't seen myself and like got to look at the quality and stuff. So sorry if the lighting got a little weird, but a lot of you guys were also asking how I come up with my Ikea hacks, and this is what I do. I go shopping at Ikea and I look for various things and see what I can put together. So super excited, and let's jump right into it and head into Ikea. I love this mirror because you can kind of put stuff here if you wanted, but I already have a circle mirror, so I don't think it's worth it to have 2, but I should have bought this one. For everyone asking, this is the shelving unit I have in my living room. I have the little small one, but it also comes in this large one right here. But it's really great. It has like the glass here on the bottom, and under $50. I kind of want a new chair for my bedroom, and this one looks so cozy. I wonder if it comes in different colors, and the price isn't that bad. Guys, the light is broken in here and it's so creepy, it keeps flickering. Can't tell. Out of all these nightstands, I can't find one that I like. I really need a new nightstand. This one's kind of unique and different if you change out the handles, but that really doesn't go with my bed. I also think this one's like cool. It's only $30, but I think I want a white one, and I'm not really a fan of any of these, so we'll keep looking. Guys, I'm in the kitchen section, and I think I'm gonna grab one of these to actually use for storage in my closet. That's why I love Ikea. You can kind of mix and match all the different sections. So like I said, I'm literally in the kitchen section. I'm gonna get one of these, maybe even 2 for my storage in my closet. It looks really cute with like the wood accent. Guys, look how cute and minimal this is. My dream is to have a backyard so I can drape lights like this over it. Like, doesn't everyone just want that? But these are so cute. Really affordable patio furniture here too. these are the jars that I currently have to store stuff in my kitchen. Like I have this one, I have a few of these, I even have this large one, and I needed new ones. I love this one, but it's kind of too big for what I'm looking for. But I wonder if I could put something in it. Guys, I'm really sad. This is what I came here to get when I said kitchen containers, and they were a little bit smaller, but these are on last chance, so I assume the smaller ones were right here and they're already gone. So I think I'll get this set of 3 instead. Has anyone ever thought of buying any of this fabric? It's actually really good, but I forget that they sell it. Oh, this one's really pretty, but I'm here for some pillows down there. Guys, these yellow pillows are so pretty. I love both of these pillows, and they would both be cute if they weren't these colors. Like, how cute would that be if it was like white and green? This is a new pillow that I kind of like. I don't necessarily need it though. I'm just here for the plain ones. These are great to like dye them and glue stuff on. I almost feel like I like this one more than this one. I think I'm actually gonna get this. This is all the current storage stuff I use in my closet. So I want to pick up a few more. These are really affordable, like under $10, and everything will match in your closet. Hi guys, I'm back from Ikea now, so I just wanted to share with you guys what I picked up. I didn't pick up too much stuff because I am in the process of redoing my room, and a lot of the things that I saw there just honestly didn't work for it, but I did get most of the stuff I went for. If you guys want to see another like go shopping with me at other furniture stores because I'm redoing my room, let me know in the comments down below. But I'm going to show you guys what I got. So the first thing that I got are these little cereal containers, and these are perfect for my cabinets because they're really short. So the larger versions that they make of these that are like the size of a cereal box don't fit. So I just got 2 of these, and I may go back and get some more because these are great to store lots of different things in them. And then I just got this little plant mister because it was only 79 cents, and I wanted one that was different, but I was like, this is 79 cents. I should just get this one. I'll put it in the cabinet. No one has to see it anyways. And then I got 2. These are really big. It has a stain on it. I'm hoping it will come off. Oh no, I think that happened when putting it in the car. But these are linen, like really big pillows. So these I got for my room. I got 2 of them, and I also got the pillow inserts. Also, what is still in my car, I got 2, I'll put them on the screen here, of these shoe racks. And I only decided to get 2 because if I have any more shoes than what fits on 2 of them, I'm gonna get rid of them. You guys know I'm trying to have more of a smaller, minimal capsule wardrobe. So I told myself I'll get 2 of these shoe racks. Whatever doesn't fit, I'll have to get rid of what I have. And then I showed you guys these, but I ended up getting this soap dispenser. I just thought this looked like so unique, and it looks really expensive, and no one would ever think that this was from Ikea. And then I got another lint roller. These are 79 cents also. They're amazing. This is one of the best like lint rollers I've ever used. And then coming down to the end, I just got this espresso cup because I thought like the way you grab it, you kind of just pinch it here. I thought it was very unique, and again, this was like 69 cents. Can't go wrong. And then I got one of these. This is a faux fur little rug here. I have one on my couch now, but I wanted to get another one for my room. I'm using this for a DIY. You guys will see that soon. Then the last thing I got to go along with my closet storage is just this little container, and as I showed you guys, this came from the kitchen section. So Ikea stuff that like all throughout the store works pretty much for any part of your home. So always look in all the sections even if you don't need something from there. So that completes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to check out the whole room design thing that I'm doing, the link to my website will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!